Meaning of heart to heart.
Heart to heart.
Heart to heart.
Heart to heart.
Heart to heart. Heart to heart is an idiomatic expression that refers to a sincere and honest conversation between two people, where they share their deep thoughts and emotions with each other. It involves opening up and being vulnerable with someone, in order to establish a deeper connection and understanding between the individuals involved. This type of conversation usually occurs when people feel comfortable and trust each other, and can lead to a stronger bond and better communication in the relationship. Overall, heart-to-heart conversations are important for building meaningful relationships and promoting emotional intimacy.